Okay, well, my phone is FUBAR. And if you've been in the military or you know somebody that's been in the military, they can tell you what that means. I've ordered another one. I had to go cheap and get it from China. So I'm just hoping it's going to work with my carrier. It's not going to be here till next Friday. And so today is Friday, I think it's May 18th. But, so this is a little camera that when my dad passed away, I found it in his things when I was cleaning out his apartment and bringing everything to my house. I have no idea how this is going to turn out. He probably got this from China too, because I don't know, it has no brand name on it, no instructions. I don't know how this is going to work out. So, anywho, that is what's going on here. And I had a little Pentax camera that got messed up when I had my first bike crash. The lens was out and got bent crooked, and it just wouldn't do anything from that point on, so it got thrown away. We are here. It is sprinkling, but we're going to get a walk on anyway. Yesterday we went to the park and had a 2-mile walk, and then I got on a bicycle and went for a 10-mile ride. Let's see. Was it last Monday I had blood work taken? Oh, something's biting me. It's raining, kind of sprinkling, and the bugs are out. So anyhow, what was I saying? Oh, I had blood work done and a urinalysis test, and this Monday I go to the doctor to find out the result. I'll also find out how much weight I've lost. But I do have a confession to make, and that is yesterday when I was at Walmart, I went and buy the marked down baked goods, and I bought a great big giant cinnamon roll and a container of apple and come here, girls. Be quiet. I don't know where they came from. But it has to be one of the guys from the Army Corps of Engineers. And here comes, there's another truck. Don't know what they're doing. I guess we'll go walk this way. Let's see, what was I saying? Oh yeah, I cheated yesterday. I ate the whole thing. The whole thing. They were like apple and cherry, oh, what are they calling? Like, I don't even remember. They were pastries. So, and then last week I had a cheat too. So I haven't always been good, and I'm a food addict, and those are things that happened. You know, I mean, I'm not going to say that I'm perfect, but, oh, something's biting me. I should have sprayed down first, I guess. Anyway, like I said, I'm not perfect, but we shall see how much weight I've lost since my last doctor's appointment. Whew, the bridge. I hear a train whistle, but I don't know where that's at. It's over there in Illinois somewhere. Lots of birds flying around, lots of birds chirping. It's quit sprinkling. Man, this thing This thing zooms in fast. Alright, there's Silo. And there's Queenie. Got her drink out of that mud puddle. Alright guys, we're going to head back now. We're going to go back. We're going to go back to the car. I know you like that, okay? Yeah. Silo, where are you going? We're going to head back to the car now. So, I don't know. This is probably only going to be 2 miles. I kind of want to do more. But, I don't get my check until the 1st of the month. And it's a pension check, not a state aid or a crazy check or anything like that. It's a pension check. It comes on the 1st. And I also get help with buying food. And it comes on the 1st also. I get $69. That's it. Alright. So, y'all gotta do something fun. I really would like to go on a camping trip soon, but we'll have to see. It'll be after the 1st, and definitely after my doctor's appointment. So, peace and love, y'all.